Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming here. Today I'm going to be making some TikTok recipes. So there's obviously loads of trends, loads of food hacks that go viral on TikTok that look really fun to make and really quick and easy as well, which is the appealing thing. So I'm going to be making the feta pasta, rolled oats and the wrap hack. So the first one I'm going to do is the wrap hack, which is a wrap kind of split into 1/4, and you put your 4 different fillings and kind of wrap it into this tortilla thing, toast it, so we're going to have that. And what I've chosen for that is avocado, halloumi, hummus and roasted peppers, because I used to love that in a wrap anyway, so I'm going to see how that works with this wrap hack. So let's go down and make that now.
So firstly, I just fried off the halloumi and the peppers after obviously chopping them up, and then created this slit in 1/4 of the wrap, because that's going to be where you lift it and fold. So the idea is to put 4 different ingredients on each quarter. So firstly, I'm just putting the peppers onto one side or 1/4 of the wrap, and then once I've done the peppers, I'm going in with the halloumi over here, just putting that halloumi on. And then I'm putting avocado on the next bit. I just love this combination so much. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. It's so tasty. And then I'm putting hummus here as well, so you could put like a different preferred sauce on, but hummus just tastes really good with this as well. And then what you do is lift up the first quarter like so and squish it onto the next one, and you basically just repeat this until you have like a tortilla shaped thing. Idea is that all the ingredients obviously stay put and just layer up really nicely together. Then just putting this in the toaster just for a few minutes until it's nice and browned. You can't really see much apart from the avocado, but it's like very much squished, which is good because it'll be easy to eat, I think. I'm thinking I should have maybe put the avocado more towards the inside so it didn't get hot, but we live in lamb. It looks very tasty and I'm excited to try.
Okay, let's try. I feel like it's kind of easier to eat because it doesn't all fall out like when you do a normal wrap. But if anything, it's maybe a bit drier because of the layers. So maybe I would add more sauce in next time. I'd give it maybe a 5 out of 10. Okay, so for tonight's dinner, I'm gonna try the feta pasta TikTok trend. So this is getting feta, pasta, cherry tomatoes, some herbs, and just basically putting it in a dish and drizzling olive oil, and it looks like it goes into this really creamy kind of mixture of pasta, and I'm a pasta fanatic anyway, so I'm really looking forward to trying this one. It looks super quick. I think you put it in for like 20 minutes or so. I mean, obviously go through the instructions and then give my review. But I'm super excited to try this on a Monday evening when it's like already 7 p.m. and I want something really fast. So let's see what it's like.
So what I'm using for this is feta. I've got this fresh pasta here, but obviously you can do it with non-fresh pasta. Pint of cherry tomatoes or plum tomatoes. So they're the first thing that goes straight into the baking dish. Then I'm just using a few cloves of garlic as well, drizzling olive oil around all of this, and then I'm taking oregano and basil and just kind of herbing it all up really. And then putting salt on as well and some pepper, and obviously you can change this to your taste, but these are the kind of classic ones, and also some chili flakes as well. Then you kind of want to make a dip in the middle and place the block of feta straight in, drizzle it with olive oil again, and I'm just going over with some of the herbs too to just get this patch as well, because this is where it's going to go really creamy and lovely. Then popping this in the oven at about 200 degrees for around 20 minutes. Some recipes say 40 minutes, so just kind of have a look and gather when you think it's ready. And then just a few minutes before it's done, I'm popping in the pasta. Once it's done and it's looking creamy, take this out so we can start kind of mashing it. And what you want to do is pour a little bit of the pasta water in to obviously give it more of a saucy texture. And then with a fork, you just go in, mush up all of the feta and the water together, keep doing it until it's like this really nice creamy consistency, which is essentially the kind of base of the dish. And then once that is to your liking, you then just obviously pour the pasta in, toss it around, and then you literally have the dish ready.
Okay, so this looks really delicious and creamy. It smells amazing, like the garlic smells insane. So I'm gonna give it a go. Oh my god, that's really, really tasty. The feta that's kind of like just gone really creamy and smooth, tastes delicious. It's actually kind of like the most lovely amount as well. There's no flavours kind of overpowering each other. All the herbs and the garlic taste really good as well, and that little touch of the juicy tomatoes is splendid. Like, I can't believe how easy and quick this is for a quick meal, like especially in the weekdays. Just chuck in and you're done. Okay. I'd have to say maybe like an 8 out of 10. Finally, it's a bit more of kind of a dessert. I am going to make the rolled oats with chocolate chips. So I kind of have overnight oats anyway for breakfast, so I love all of the ingredients in here anyway. And I never really make stuff like dessert, so to have something that's kind of easy like this could be a really nice thing to just do now and then. So finally, we'll go and make the oats.
So for the oats, I'm using a cup of oats, about 2 dollops of Greek yogurt, about a teaspoon of honey, yum yum yum, melted butter, so I'm just using like a ramekins worth, a little bit of almond milk here, a little bit of salt as well, some vanilla extract, and then mixing this all together until it's all a nice consistency of creamy oats. Then I'm pouring in chocolate chips and mixing this all together as well. Then transfer this to a little ramekin or a baking dish. This is just kind of the perfect size for one portion, I guess. And then top this with more chocolate chips or whatever topping that you're putting on yours. Then this goes into the oven for about 35 minutes.
So it's come out looking a bit weird. I don't know if I've overdone it, but it does look nice. Lots of the chocolate chips have melted. So yeah, I'll give it a go.
That's like you going on Snapchat and using my ginger bit emoji.
It was really hot. It kind of tastes like, it's got a cakey taste. It must be the chocolate chips, and then obviously like porridge. It's really, really nice, and the honey you can really taste as well. And you wouldn't think it was like rolled oats or anything. So I would definitely make that again, and it's actually not that bad for you. So I think I'd give that one like an 8 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching this food hack video, guys, or TikTok viral foods. If you liked, please subscribe, and also let me know if there's any other viral food trends I should try. Thanks so much. Bye.